Hi, second graders. Today you're going to take your spelling test. Listen to me read each word, then spell it the best you can on the paper. If you need me to repeat a word, then just go back and press play. Your first word is shut. Shut. Shut the door. Your next word is shop. Shop. I like to shop on the weekend. Your next word is shin. Shin. Ouch! I got kicked in the shin. Your last word is mush. Mush. Make sure you take care of your food so it doesn't turn to mush. Mush. When you're done with your spelling test, make sure you put it in the all done basket. Thanks.